If you want to maintain your privacy while job searching on Indeed, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Indeed website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy Settings section. This area allows you to manage who can see your activity and online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, locate the option related to your online status. You can toggle this option to hide your status from employers and other users. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page to confirm your new privacy preferences. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status on Indeed, allowing you to search for jobs with greater privacy.